everyone, what's up? Welcome to Reviews Made Easy. My name is Elisa, and on today's episode, we are going to be talking about the FabFitFun subscription box for fall 2018. Now, if you're new to my channel, the way that my channel works is I spend some time talking about the product, and then at the end of the video, I give the product a rating on a scale from 1 to 10. 1 being the worst, 10 being the best. Now today, because FabFitFun is a subscription box, I actually am not only going to be reviewing it, but I'm also going to be revealing what's inside. And I am so excited for this because I have literally been holding on to this box for weeks now, just so I can make this video for you. I've wanted to give you a really authentic experience. So I honestly have no idea what's inside. I haven't opened it, but I am so excited to find out. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so before I reveal what's inside, let me give you some more information about FabFitFun in case you don't know what FabFitFun is. So FabFitFun is a subscription-based box. It retails for $49.99, and that's billed seasonally. So every 3 months, you're billed $49.99. Alternatively, you can sign up annually for $179.99. Each box, like I said, it comes in a big box like this. It's going to contain a variety of beauty, health, and wellness products, and each box retails for over $200. So the products inside should all add up to be at least $200 or more. Now, if you are new to FabFitFun, I am going to be including a link in the comments section as well as the description section below, and that will actually give you $10 off your first box, and it gives me money towards my next box as well. So if you're new to FabFitFun, you want to try it out, go ahead, click that link, and you'll get $10 off, which is so awesome. You'll get to get this box for $39.99, and you'll get over $200 worth of products. So now that you know a little bit more about FabFitFun, let's go ahead and reveal what's inside. So this is the part that I have been super excited about, and this is actually opening the subscription box. So let's go ahead, jump right in. The first thing that I will say about FabFitFun is I absolutely love their boxes in general. They match with the seasonal box that you get. So for example, this is the fall 2018 box, and you'll see on the box itself, there's little like pumpkin coffees on it and stuff like that, which is just so fun. I love coming home and seeing my FabFitFun box right there. It's so much more fun than a typical brown box. So that's just something worth noting, that they do a really nice job in terms of branding. So as we open up the box, the first thing that you're going to see here is a magazine, which I'm sure is filled with a ton of like beauty and wellness and health tips and stuff like that. So I'll have to check that out later. There's also a Hello Fresh coupon, which is cool in case I'm interested in that. And then there is some information in terms of Luna bars, which I guess are like granola bars or something like that. So I'm guessing this might mean that I have a Luna bar in my box. So let's find out. So I'm going to go ahead, and I'm already seeing a ton of stuff here. So I was right, there is a Luna bar in here. This is the cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. So this is awesome. This is something that I could bring to work and just have as a snack. And it's gluten-free and non-GMO and organic, which we like all of that stuff. The next I have by Skin & Co. This is a limited edition shower gel, which is really cool. Let's actually give this a smell. Can't really smell it because it has this thing on it here, but very fresh. Alpine Rose, Sage, Wild Basil, and Autumn Blossom. So that's fun. This is a really good size container as well, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, Oh, next up I have Cobra wireless earbuds. So that's pretty awesome. They have Bluetooth technology, a built-in microphone. So this is awesome. This is definitely something that I could use, especially at work when I'm calling clients and stuff like that. So that'll be fun. Ooh, a beauty blender. Every girl needs a beauty blender, so that's pretty cool. So Glam Glow, this is actually a company I've been wanting to check out for a while. I don't currently own any of their products. I should move a little bit closer so you can see this real well. So these are deep cleansing masks. So that's pretty fun. So you put it on, it looks like you give it 3 minutes, not 30, 3 minutes. You remove the mask and then you rinse. So this will be fun to check out. Maybe that'll be another review that I do. Next is the Day Cream. Free from skin aging toxins, all this other crazy stuff. So this, is an awesome size. I'm not really too familiar with this company. So this is cool. This is definitely something that I'll try out. And again, this is a Hydra Repair Day Cream. So that's pretty awesome. That's a good size. Okay, Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. Let's check this out. Okay, so this is, there's 2 of them. Wow, that's awesome. So there's 2 towels here, perfect for the kitchen, nice material. I think everyone needs more towels in their home. I don't know. Around here, I go through things like this all the time, and I love the cream and gray. My home is kind of like farmhousey, so this will go really nicely with everything. So that's fun. Ooh, this is a liquid foil lipstick duo. That is fun. I'm not sure if this color is going to look that great on me. I tend to go with lighter colors because I'm so light complected, but we're going to try it out. And again, maybe this is something I can review for you too. So that's fun. All right, now this is a big package. This is Alfred French Press Coffee Maker. This is something really fancy. And I love coffee. I don't actually own a French press, so this will be something that'll be fun for me to try. I just want to open it up and see what it looks like, just out of curiosity. Okay, this is fancy. I don't know. This might be too fancy for me. Fun, but coffee first. That's like the story of my life. So this is fun. I don't know. I'm definitely going to try this out. So I'll let you guys know how I do with that. I wonder if I'll make a mess or what. So probably not. I'm sure it'll be just fine. Okay, and then my last item here. I have an idea what this is. I saw some, other reveals of the box, so I have an idea. Oh, I love this already. So this is a Vince Camuto purse. Oh, this is so fun. And I'm sorry, I'm shooting in a really tight location right now. I have some construction going on in my house, so it's a little bit of a tight squeeze. But this is so much fun. It's a nice little tote. It's leather. It's pretty big inside. This would actually be really nice for my laptop while I'm on the go. I could see myself using this while I'm traveling as well, just as kind of like a to-go thing. It's vegan leather. Big fan of vegan leather, especially when it's really nice like this. So this is really well made. There's a little pocket inside, which is awesome. And from my understanding, just because I kind of did a little bit of research on this bag, because I saw that FabFitFun was doing a collab with Vince. So my understanding that this is actually a limited edition item for Vince. So pretty cool. So this is really fun. So I'm super excited. And I guess at this point, because I have nothing left in my box, it's time for the grand review. So let's figure out how my FabFitFun Fall 2018 box is going to score here. Okay, so here is my grand review for my FabFitFun subscription box for Fall 2018. So on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, I rate this particular FabFitFun box an 8. I rate this box an 8. The reason that I give it an 8 is because honestly, I think it is definitely worth the value. I really like the purse. Love the purse. Totally will use that. I really like, I'm not familiar really with this day cream, but I definitely would love to check that out because if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I have really dry skin. So hopefully that's something I can really benefit from. These masks are also super cool. I like that. The earbuds are cool too. Not really something I needed, but definitely something that I'll use. The French press is also super fun and cute. This is something that I definitely do not need. I use Keurig, so that takes like 5 seconds. So this isn't something that I need, but I'm sure I'll have fun with this sometimes. And the towels are really awesome too. This is something that I definitely will use. Now, the reason that I don't give this box a 9 or a 10 is because there are items in it that I really didn't need. The French press, I don't really need. That's not something that's like gonna make or break me. The body gel, I like the scent of this, or I should call it the shower gel, not body gel. Shower gel, I really like the scent of this, but I'm kind of particular in terms of the body washes that I use because my skin is so sensitive, but I'm willing to try it out, so that's kind of cool. The only problem that I might foresee with my box is that there's so many items in it, so it might be like one of those things where I have like items overload. But this is my first real subscription, FabFitFun subscription box. So I guess more to come and to be determined if it's too much. Hopefully I'll get a ton of use out of this stuff. That'll be my game plan. I do have a video coming out hopefully next week, fingers crossed that everything goes well, that will be reviewing my winter 2018 FabFitFun box. So that'll be fun. So as a reminder, I will be including a link in the description and the comment section. If you haven't tried FabFitFun before, it'll give you $10 off your first box so that way you can test it out. And I love discounts, so you know, every little bit counts. So check that out if you want to. And as always, thank you so much for tuning in. I always have so much fun doing these videos for you guys. I hope that you find it as helpful and informative as I would like you to. And as always, please don't hesitate to make a comment below in terms of different services or products you'd like me to review. And please, if you could, please do give a thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to my channel for further updates and reviews.